This is a requested video. A really subtle, elegant, soft pink look. Starting with the color Bonfire. You want to apply that to the crease of your eye and just blend it out with the blending brush. Pink is like one of the most hardest colors to blend, so make sure you take your time. I'm going to use this blush color called Bourbon. And using the same blending brush, same techniques, I'm going to apply it to my eye. Next, you want to grab a concealer and apply that concealer on your lid. This is creating a cut crease look. You don't want to go over the crease, just like I'm doing here, or it will not look like a cut crease. If you think you've messed up, that's okay because it's only concealer. You can always go back in with the pink. Taking that same Bourbon color, I'm going to use the same blending brush and apply it on the outer corners of my eye, like so. I'm also going to be making sure that I'm going halfway through the eye, and then take this cane and put that in the inner corner of my eye, which is the other half. When applying this, be very careful and have a light hand because we're only going halfway through the eye. Using liquid eyeliner, create a winged liner look. Again, you don't want it to be too thick or too thin. Make it just right. Perfect, just like this. Apply some mascara. Don't forget to line your waterline and apply lashes. Apply foundation, your eyebrows, and lipstick or lip color if you haven't already. And then you're done. Here's the whole final look. If you have any video requests, please do let me know in the comments down below. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below and don't forget to share with your friends and family. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, goodbye.